Here.
Don't trip.
Ready? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to
Thanks,
you.
Dad.
Happy birthday.
I was right. There we go. I was right. Just so you all know. I was right.
You was right. What? What is it?
It's a car.
So you don't even know if you're right.
No, you can ask any one of my friends.
Yeah, so you knew which kind it was?
Yeah.
What is it, Jay? What do you think it was?
I thought it was this one.
Which one?
Honda Elantra.
Did you think it was this color?
I didn't know what it was. How do you look it up?
Is this one of your favorites?
Was it?
This was her favorite. Oh.
I was right!
What made you think it was this?
Look at me. Wait, I don't want to be in it.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, just stand there by the door open then. Oh, the sun. I gotta go this way.
Okay. Jayden, 1, 2, 3.
Yay. Lindsay has something for you. She made this all by herself for you.
Okay, hold it up.
Hug again so I can get another picture of that.
Oh, yes.